Hello there. This is Larry Leathers. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing for NEA. It's a workforce development company. In this video, we're going to install the Eclipse Integrated Development Environment and the Android Software Development Kit. Now, this is basically, and I'm going to show you actually on the screen what we're going to do as a synopsis, and then after that I'm going to actually show you the screenshots of what you're going to be doing, and you can refer to this video over and over and over again. Here's our laundry list of duties to be executed in this video. We're going to download Eclipse, Java, and the Android SDK. Then we'll install Java. Then we will unpackage Eclipse. Then we will unpackage the Android SDK, and then configure Eclipse. By the way, that's the Android trademark. Let's begin. We're starting on the Eclipse download page. Here's the website. Okay. Now, see in the middle of the page, Eclipse IDE for Java developers? Click on that. And then this is what you'll see. The Eclipse download mirror selection page. Choose whatever's at the top there. That's probably going to be your best bet. And then you'll see something about saving the file. And then here's what you'll see. Find a space, put it on the desktop, whatever you're going to save. Ooh, looky here, the Java Runtime Environment requirement page from Eclipse. I know 6 is out, but Eclipse is really asking for 5, so Eclipse is boss. Here's a website to check it out for yourself. And now for the J2SE download page. We're going to install Java on your machine. This is the J2SE 5.0 download page. This is the top of the page, and here's the bottom. You're looking for JDK 5.0 Update 21. But 22 will show up, and then you'll fill out this nice form. Here's the top and bottom. You submit it, and you'll come up to this page. Choose Windows. And then you'll see another page, and it says Available Files. You'll click on that, and there's an ActiveX, and you run that, and then you come to this page, and then you choose the top. Then you save this on your machine. Save it on your desktop so you know where it is, and it saved it to your machine. Moving along, we're now at the Download Android SDK page. We want Windows, so please choose the first link at the top. Then you'll end up here. And at the top of that page for accepting the license agreement, then you click there, agree, and here you are downloading. Save it onto your desktop again so you know where to find it. On your desktop, you should now have Eclipse and Android zip folders and the JDK 5.0. Your desktop should look like this, and now we're going to install the JDK 5.0. You'll press run, and the Java Development Kit will install. You don't have to do anything else to configure. Moving on. Now back to the desktop, and we're going to unpackage Eclipse. Please right click on the folder. Choose Extract All. Then you'll see select the destination. Whatever it's chosen there is probably the desktop, so just press next and let it extract. It is not particularly crucial where you put Eclipse, but you should probably put it in My Documents so you'll know where to find it. Then open up the folder that Eclipse is in and execute it. When you open up the folder, it will look like this. Double click on it, then you'll see the security warning. It'll say run, and click run. Then Eclipse will execute. It'll look just like this, pretty much. Then Eclipse will ask you to select a workspace. The default is your Documents and Settings folder. You can pretty much keep that. Click OK. Then the welcome screen should appear. You have now successfully installed Eclipse. And now we unpackage the Android SDK. Please right-click on the zipped Android folder, choose Extract All. After you have extracted the Android SDK, it's important that you take that extracted folder and put it in the My Documents folder. Now open this folder. To make sure you put the Android folder in the right place, check out the path name. It should be equivalent to the one that you see here. With your Android folder open, click the contents until you find the Tools folder. Here we are, and notice the path name. We're going to supply this path name to the path environment variable of Windows in a moment. Okay, let's take a break. Alright, let's continue. First, click the Start bar in Windows, right-click on my computer and select Properties. And here I show you. It'll look a little something like this. See? Right-click on my computer, select Properties. Then you'll see the System Properties window. In System Properties, choose the Advanced tab, Environment Variables at the bottom, and then look for Path in System Variables. It's in there. Highlight the word Path under Variable in the System Variables area of the Environment Variables window. Then click Edit, and the Edit System Variable window will appear. Click the area in variable value once to deselect the entire path. Then at the end of the string, paste the entire path of the Android tool folder. Prefix the path with a semicolon. Please be careful modifying variable value. Now, finally, we configure Eclipse. Bring up the Eclipse application, go under Help, and check for updates. When that's done, go under Help again and install new software. See that Add button on the top right? Click on it. Put Android plugin in name and put the following web address in location. Like this. Click OK. Now look for Android plugin in the Work With menu up at the top where you see that Add button. There's that downward triangle. Click on it, you'll find that. Developer tools will show in the space below. Click in the square. Just like that. Click Next at the bottom of this window. Et voila! Our Android development tools. Click Next. Accept the terms of the license agreements and press Finish. And now Eclipse is customizing itself for Android development. When you see the security warning, press OK. Restart Eclipse for the changes to take effect. The last thing we have to do is to connect Eclipse to the Android Software Development Kit through the Preferences. In Preferences, click on Android on the left-hand side. The SDK location field will show up. Click Browse. Go into the My Documents folder and find the Android-SDK-Windows folder. The SDK location field will self-populate. And now we're done. We can now start developing for Android.